Donald Trump announces, the National Reserve, XRP, Cardano, Solana, and Bitcoin and Ethereum are of course included as well. You might think it's actually extremely positive. However, this upswing didn't last long. And we're back to this negative sentiment, and in some cases, Bitcoin is even lower than before this rise. It's really one of the toughest phases for crypto that we have right now. These stagnation phases are getting tougher for Bitcoin, and today we're going to take a close look at 3 cryptocurrencies. These are included in the Crypto National Reserve, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. But we're looking at the whole thing in the long term because I think it's difficult to make short-term predictions at the moment. Because the market is extremely news-driven, we're looking at the whole thing from a long-term perspective. According to the alley rate method, basically we have seen at all very large outflows in the altcoin sector. This is of course very noticeable in our crypto market. Here in this regard, we would have the next major resistance line right here at $150 billion. And it would really be bad if we fell below that as well. That wouldn't be good at all, but let's just hope for the best. I mean, the Bitcoin dominance is just too strong currently. Of course, that leaves less money for Ethereum or for Bitcoin. Let's move over to XRP. Here's what it looks like. We had seen the 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and the last thing we should see here would be wave 5. And with that, we would have completed the upward trend. And here we would have price targets of $4.42. That's what we expect, at least for XRP. As I said, those are our minimum price targets. With Cardano, it looks like this. Here we saw the 1, the wave 2. We are now expecting to see another upward trend into the 3, 4, and then into the 5. So the 226 would definitely be a longer term target that we expect in the coming months with Cardano. From there, a small correction, and then back up towards $3. We'd probably be at around 320 or so by then. That's it for Cardano. And then we would have Solana. Here we also had the 1 seen, the 2. And as a result, we just have an ABC, it seems. And with the C, we would then move into wave 3, where we would already be above $441. From there, the correction back into the 5. That means overall our bullish target for Solana is still at least $700. That's what we expect in this cycle for Solana. At least those $700. Depending on how intense the cycle gets, it could also go up to $800 or $900 in that regard. Those are the long-term price targets so far, because as I said, in the short term, all of this doesn't really mean much. I can show you the hourly chart now and point something out to you, but if Donald Trump makes another tweet, then the world looks completely different again. But I see the whole thing in the long term, and you should do that too, because in the long term, we are still in an upward trend. And accordingly, I remain optimistic, and I'll be happy to keep you updated. In that regard, thank you for watching, friends, and see you next time.